Good Wednesday! Today we'll be making shrimp lo mein. Or should I say, try to make shrimp lo mein. I've never made shrimp lo mein. Sure looks easy on YouTube. They make it look easy, man. And we'll be using our 9-inch deep skillet. I could be using my Dacor saute pan, which is shaped very much like a wok. But no, we're gonna use Visions today. And we've got Napa cabbage, red pepper, green onion, ginger, garlic, lo mein noodles, and shrimp. Onion is missing. And onion, because I like onion in everything. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. We gotta try it. Oh, it's like intestines again. The noodles are too long. It tastes good. Shrimp is cooked.